So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Developers Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to flat a nested array in JavaScript using different ways. So the first method I'm going to show you is the flat method. So let's start. Go to editor. So array dot flat. Now take a nested array const nested array equal to, let's create the nested array 1 comma 2 comma again a array 3 comma 4 again a array 5 comma 6. So this is our nested array. Now const flat array equal to nested array dot flat method we will use. Then you can see the IntelliSense here they are passing 2. So 2 is the depth, but I am not going to pass the depth. I will pass infinity. So infinity will make it recursively and it will run for the all levels. Okay. Then console dot log flat array. So it will go deep as how the array is. So now try node flat array.js. So here is the flatted array. So the flat method creates a new array with all subarray elements and concat into a recursively up to the specified depth. If you want to flatten all level of nesting, then we have to use infinity. So the next method is using reduce. So using reduce also we can flatten array with recursion. Okay, so let's see. So here we have the nested array. So we will use the same. How I can stop this lesson? So let it be. So we will create const flat array with reduce equal to, we will create a arrow function and we will take array. So let's see how it will work. It will return, so array dot reduce, we will use reduce method. Then here inside we have accumulator and value and accumulator dot concat if array dot is array. If the value is array dot is array, then we have to call the same method and here we will pass the value. Otherwise we have to take the value simply and give a blank array as a default value. So let's try. So log flat array with reduce and here pass nested array comma with reduce method and let's try. So here you can see we have flattened this array successfully with the reduce method. And then the another method is with using low. So using recursion and for each. So let me show you how we can do. So const flat array with for each equal to, we have to pass array, and let's see how we can do. So first of all, we will take a blank array. So const result equal to this, a blank array. Then we have to iterate the array for each. So here we have value. So if array dot is array, well, and here else, if we have the direct value, then direct result dot push value. Otherwise, result dot push. What we have to push? Dot flat array with for each, and here we will pass value. Otherwise, we have to again call this method and pass the value to this. Okay, and after that we have to return result. Okay, so here log flat array with for each, and here pass the nested array, comma. So here we will show result with for each. Okay, so again run this. So here you can see again we have flattened the nested array. Then we have some more methods. Let me show you. We can do this using JSON dot stringify and using JSON dot parse method. So here we have a trick. So let me show you. So const flat array with JSON. Okay, flat array with JSON. So what we will do? Return JSON dot parse, JSON dot parse, JSON dot parse, and here we have to give array opened plus JSON dot stringify array dot replace. So let me show you how we have to replace. So slash then a blank array, or close this and slash g, comma, this blank string, and after this we have to take plus and then this one. Okay, save it and let's try log flat array with JSON and pass nested array, comma. So flat array with JSON method, and let's check the output. So flat array with JSON method, it have given exactly. Let me check what I have missed. So first of all, we are doing JSON dot parse and then JSON dot stringify dot replace. Okay, this is good. I think one thing I have forgot it. Not this one. Let's save it and try again. So here is the flat array using JSON method. So here we are replacing the array brackets. Okay. Now another method is using while loop. So by using while loop, we can also flatten nested array. Let a. So let's see how we can do. So flat array with while loop equal to, okay. So let's see. So first of all, while here we will use sum method. Okay. So array dot sum. So inside sum item, if array dot is array item, array dot is array item, then array equal to blank array, sorry, dot concat dot array, and in last we will return the array. And let's check the result. So log flat array with while loop, here pass the nested array and flat array with while loop. Now again node index.js, sorry, flat array.js. So here is the flatted array using while loop, using JSON method, using for each. This is using reduce, and this is using the flat method. Okay, so that's it for this video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video, and please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and give comments. Thank you.